This is an emergency money-making announcement. I will tell you the most successful way to sell ClickBank products and that are used by all the successful affiliates. PPC, that is pay-per-click, so just look for any PPC network and advertise your affiliate links with it. I use breezeads.com. I find it's cheap and it also is very good at converting traffic, which Google is the best, yes, but Google is also costly and it does not allow you to advertise your affiliate links. And I also came to know that all the marketing gurus are using breezeads.com as well. To make the huge sales that they show you in their videos, you need to check out breezeads.com. Thanks for watching and be sure to start banking today.